Hi everyone, welcome to this today lessons on long one-to-one variable transformation. So I'm Timothy, and I will walking you through a, uh, a statistics example problem related to the variable transformation in statistics. So so by the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding of how handling the transformation of a random value, even when they are not one-to-one. So let's get started with this basics of the variable transformation, particularly focus on those transformations and that are not one-to-one. Okay. So when we talk about variable transformation, we referring to the process of converting one's random variable into others. So that is it can be done using either linear or non-linear transformation. However, when a transformation is not one-to-one thing, getting more complex. So in such case, we need to consider multiple value of original variable that could match to the same value of the new variable. So so let's dive into today's question. Here is the problem. So x with the probability density function which we will call of fx, and then the range of x is between the -2 and +2. So we asked to find the probability density function for a new random variable y, which is defined as a x a square. So in natural, we transforming x into y, so by squaring the variable of x. Okay, so our goal is figure out the new probability density function of y. So uh, so why we considered a long one-to-one transformation. So this is question. So let's think about what happens when we share a number. So because uh for example there to try to draw a graph to explain why is not long why is not why is this a long one-to-one transformation. So if you this is x, right, this is y. Okay, because here said that this is a x is a square. So in here x is squared, so uh we can write in this form. So if y equal to x squared, then x equal to positive or negative square root of y. Okay, so so in this case, this is why we can draw like this. Okay, and then so we make 2 points here, B and A. Okay, so that we can turn this. So what we want to find the area. So that we are talking about this area. Okay, B and A area. Do you see that? So this means is for the secondary value of y. So so that's why we have two possible variable of x. So mm, so this transformation involving two branch, one for the positive square root and one for the negative square root. So we have to accountable for account for both of these when calculating the probability density function for y. So that's why this is a long one-to-one variable transformation because more than one side. So let's talk about how to solve this transformation step by step. So because we expect x in terms of y using relationship that y equal to x squared, so x will be equal to the square root of y. Okay, both are positive and negative square root, as we mentioned before. And then the next step is we need to calculate the probability density function for each possible value of x that corresponds to y. So how to say, because we x is equal to positive or negative square root of y, so we can y in this form. So a is more than y, and then b less than y, and then p is p is then something p. Okay, so um, so here we will continue p. Here we using the integrate here. So the key is here is to remember that the both positive and the negative square root contribute to the probability density function of each value of y. So 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 that's why we need to, so we can substitute the y here. So in this side, so we can is we want to be a b a b. Okay, so we substitute here, and that because dy x, um, so here is right, dy. Okay, so plus the ab. Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh, ab. Okay, because here. Okay, so that's why we continue to push the y here, and then 1 over 2 times square root y, and then this is times to dy. Okay, so now we got y gy. We this is this function, this is function, and then this is a density function, probability density function of y is equal to, let me see, um, divided by 2. Okay, so that we can write where y is between 0 and 4. Okay, so and then let's see. Okay, that should be done. So this is all for today. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the statistic problem in the data science, please give me thumb up and like this subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye bye.